This banjo makes learning it so easy and is absolutely ideal for beginners. Hi, I'm Paraic McNeela, and this is the new Celt Banjo. Here at McNeela Music, we've been crafting instruments for over 40 years to help you play the sort of music you've always secretly dreamt of. The Kelt is a beautifully crafted 4-string banjo designed specifically for beginners who want to learn how to play good music on the banjo easier and faster.
Hi, my name is Dolan. I'm a banjo player from County Cavan and I'm here in the McNeela Music Shop sampling out a couple of banjos. This lovely banjo is called the Kelt and it's an excellent entry-level banjo. I would say this is your entry-level banjo with more, to be honest, because of the extra bits and pieces it's got, the extra design and how easy it is to play. So this banjo will last.
So the tuning action on the banjo is particularly good. Really sturdy tuners, well geared and very smooth to turn and also adjustable. The construction of it, when I took it apart, because that's something I do with most banjos, there's actually a truss rod that goes right through the neck and a second truss rod as well that gives you the ability to adjust the actual angle of the neck.
Ideal for that person who is sure they want to play, they want to invest in a banjo, but they're still at that beginner intermediate level. So I'm going to play the tune here. I'll go for Boys of the Town.
We built the Celt Banjo from the ground up to make playing easier and more enjoyable. The original was a big favourite, but I knew we could do more. So, in 2025, we refined the playing experience while preserving its traditional character. We upgraded it with precise planetary tuners that hold tuning longer and turn effortlessly. The action is even smoother. What this means is the closer the strings are to the fingerboard, the easier they are to press, making it easier to play and play fast.
Really lovely instrument to play, and even though it has the 19 frets, it's got quite a short neck, which makes it much easier, I suppose, for especially a younger person, maybe starting off. It makes it just that little bit easier to play and less of a stretch on the fingers. It's got a lovely low action as well, which makes it much, I suppose, easier to play as well.
It will make you want to pick up the banjo and practice and play and learn. Overall, that kind of what we call a low action on the banjo just enables you to be far more efficient with your left hand, and it's just an easier play, a very, very easy play. There's been a lot of thought put into putting this banjo together, and it's a nice looking banjo as well, which always helps.
Then there's the build. 24 tension brackets, a smooth Remo Weather King skin, and an upgraded, more durable tailpiece, paired with a beautiful mahogany neck. When a banjo is being crafted, there are 23 different decisions a banjo maker must make, and we take none lightly. These details matter, and the end result should give you that wonderful tone we all know and love.
The tone out of this is exceptional. It's really clear and it's good even for, I suppose, a couple of years if you're branching into that gig space and session space.
I think the tone is lovely from it, sounds good. So yeah, nice feel to it.
Every component, from its reliable tuners to its traditional wooden rim and smooth mahogany finish, has been chosen to deliver wonderfully clear and bright tones.
There's very good sustain in it for a beginner banjo. So when I talk about sustain, I mean like when you hit the note, it keeps going, which you don't often get either in a beginner banjo. So this is a pretty good package, I have to say, and its price point is very good as well for what you're getting.
But the banjo itself is just the beginning. I've got an offer for you today with 5 incredible bonus extras, which I'm giving to you absolutely free. Number 1, a premium padded banjo gig bag. Accidents happen, and we don't want your banjo to get scuffed or damaged. This is a premium gig bag which would normally cost €60 or $70, and it's yours today for free. Number 2, the Ultimate Beginner Banjo Pack. This includes a digital tuner for perfect pitch, a high quality spare set of strings, a playing strap for comfort, and a selection of my personal favourite picks to really bring out that sound. Number 3, the Absolute Beginner's Irish Tenor Banjo Book. This is an excellent book written by Eamon Coyne, a highly regarded banjo teacher, because when you're starting out, you need all the help you can get. This complete guide to banjo playing gives you step-by-step instruction on 9 easy-to-learn Irish tunes. You also get free access to 60 full-length audio tracks to help you practice with confidence, and it's yours today for free. Number 4, our world-class aftercare service. To ensure your success, if anything goes wrong, I don't want you to worry, because we've got you covered. There's virtually no issue my team can't solve over email. We pride ourselves on our after-sales service, so you can trust us to take care of you. Number 5, our 30-day try-at-home money-back guarantee. I know picking the right banjo is a big decision, and you ask yourself certain questions like, what if it's not the right fit for me? Or, what if I don't love the way it sounds? That's exactly why we have our 30-day try-at-home guarantee. We put a 100% satisfaction guarantee on our banjos, meaning if it's not everything you wanted, you can return it and get a full refund. We want to make sure this banjo is the perfect match for you. So, a quick recap on what you get with the Kelt. 1, a premium padded gig bag. 2, the Ultimate Beginner Banjo Pack. 3, the Absolute Beginner's Irish Tenor Banjo Book. 4, our world-class aftercare service. And 5, our 30-day money-back guarantee.
Playing it was easy. It has great action on it, and I think for someone wanting to invest in music themselves, this is definitely the one. So I'd highly recommend it.
If I was to recommend this to a student, I would say, yeah, it's definitely well suitable for someone who's going into that intermediate range. And yeah, there's a lovely mellow tone off it as well. So yeah, highly recommend this Celt Banjo.
But don't just take my word for it. With over 70 5-star reviews from our many happy customers, you can't go wrong. You now have 2 choices. You can continue feeling overwhelmed by the endless options and complicated setups, or you can take the first step towards becoming the confident banjo player you've always wanted to be and finally get your hands on a beautifully crafted 4-string banjo.